Hello and welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a remote job you can do from anywhere, if you're looking for a company that hires worldwide, then this particular one on your screen right now does that. So they hire you on behalf of companies. They act like outsourcing agents. And the amazing thing is that they hire worldwide. Wherever you are, in Nigeria, Ghana, Cameroon, South Africa, United States, they hire worldwide. So we're going to explore the open positions right now because they have amazing open positions that you need to apply to right now. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. On this channel, we share videos on remote jobs. Let's get started. So click on see open position. The company is called RemoFirst. RemoFirst. They have open positions in engineering, finance operations, product, revenue operations, sales, and more. So let's explore. You can filter by location, team, and work type. So whichever country you feel like you want to work in, you can select it here. And then team, work type, full-time, location type, remote, hybrid, on-site. So this one is engineering, staff backend engineer. It's a remote position, but they're looking for people based in Serbia, South Africa, Romania, Lithuania, Estonia, Poland, Ukraine, Greece, Slovakia, Slovenia, Croatia, Bulgaria, Portugal. And we have finance operations. It's a remote full-time position. They're looking for people in Mexico, Colombia, Brazil, and South Africa. They also have product operations manager position here. Remote full-time position, looking for people based in Bulgaria, Poland, Ukraine, Spain, Portugal, South Africa, Kazakhstan, India, Philippines, Egypt, and Nigeria. So if you're Nigerian and you want to apply for this one, go ahead. They also have senior product designer. They have revenue operations manager. They also have sales. You just want to check it out and see the one that is hiring from your location. So let's open this one. Revenue operations is also hiring from Nigeria. They're hiring from Nigeria as well. As you can see here, Portugal, South Africa, Nigeria, Spain, Poland, Romania. So let's open this one. Revenue operations manager first. So this is a full-time remote position hiring people from these countries here. RemoFirst is transforming the way businesses hire and manage global teams. Their mission is to enable freedom of work by providing an all-in-one global hiring HR platform that simplifies hiring, compliance, payroll, and benefits management. They partner with some of the world's most innovative companies, including Fortune 500 businesses and leading startups. They're a small but strong team of 200 plus people and growing, hyper-focused on delivering a world-class platform. They're seeking a revenue operations manager to optimize and scale their revenue operations across the full customer life cycle, reporting at the intersection of sales, finance, customer success, and partnership. This role will own key operational processes, including CRM administration, sales, compensation, reporting, etc. This is a highly cross-functional role requiring strong analytical skills, attention to detail, and the ability to manage multiple priorities in a fast-paced remote-first environment. These are your key responsibilities. You're going to partner with sales, SDR, and partner teams to optimize CRM workflows, improve sales processes, administer PandaDoc, support revenue tools, and execute cross-functional operational initiative. You should own the administration, maintenance, and continuous improvement of the CRM, ensuring data integrity, process consistency, and user adoption. Identify opportunities to automate manual processes and improve operational efficiency across the revenue organization. So feel free to read the key responsibilities. What you will need is 5 to 10 years of experience in revenue operations, experience administering CRM platforms and supporting revenue technology stacks, comfortable working in a fast-paced remote environment. Nice to have experience with employer of record, professional employer organization, contract management. Why you should work for RemoFirst? Startup environment, you're going to build and scale from scratch. Work for a market leader. Compensation and perks are great. So go ahead and click on apply now. You see the application buttons here. It's a B2B role. So if you're open to work under a B2B contract arrangement, feel free to apply for this one. I'm just showing you guys an example. I'm not saying you should apply for this one if you don't have the experience. If you open this one, product manager, you still see the same thing. Can read the key responsibilities, what they're looking for, 2 to 5 years of experience, product operations management, or BizOps in a tech environment, strong data skills, excellent communication skills, proven ability to work cross-functionally and influence without authority, strong system thinking mindset. You thrive on solving organizational friction through process and tools, ability to work autonomously in a distributed environment, self-starter who can own projects end to end. You will need prior experience supporting a global or multi-country product launch environment, experience aligning operations across product, customer success and finance. Proficiency in English is a must. Planning and organization, problem identification, analytical thinking, product mindset, bias to action. So feel free to go through this and apply as well. All I want you to do is to keep an eye. If you're from India, Philippines, Egypt, Nigeria, you can apply. Just keep an eye on RemoFirst platform. They regularly update their open position, and feel free to search using this filter button here to select the countries and the team. But they hire engineering, finance, product, revenue operations, and sales. All right, so feel free to check them out. The job you see today, you might not see them tomorrow. So keep an eye on their website because they regularly update their website. All right. Thank you so much, everybody, for watching. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Do like, comment, and share, and subscribe to the channel. Let me know your occupation in the comments so that I can find you jobs that are hiring in your occupation.